What's cracking, y'all? I know it's a little late video today and I'm later on in the day, but I got a little busy, man. I started cleaning out the E30s. I'm in the process of cleaning out the E30s, going through them because these are gonna be my next projects that I'm working on, and I wanna make sure, see what I got. Because I got stuff sitting in these cars I've been had sitting for years. I honestly don't remember what I got there. I mean, I have new parts for other cars, parts for other stuff, you know? I don't know. So far, I've been in the white E30 in the trunk. Oh, I'll tell y'all about that in a minute. But so far, this is what I got. Differential, transmission fluid, automatic transmission fluid, car wash, tire gloss, and I found a fuel pump for E36 and another transmission fluid. Then in the trunk so far, I don't know if this is E3 steering rack or not. I gotta check. Or I think maybe this is the steering rack from the other car. I think it's from the other car. Yeah, this is from the old setup. Then we have the rest of the 5-lug conversion for the black car. So yeah, on the front we have the 5-lug done already. I think I got some video on that. I'm gonna be dropping some footage on that. So in the front, the 5-lug's done. In the rear, still 4-lug. So gonna have to finish that up so everything's 5-lug. All this should be in that car. I don't know why it's in this car, right? And while this is out, I want to change these bushings, do all that stuff. So we set up the camera. So now all the stuff that can go back in it, the trim. I don't know what this is for. I bought that. So I got the carpet. Got the carpet, just got a little bit in there for now, you know what I'm saying? Making it look like an E30 again a little bit. So I'm gonna start loading the rest of the stuff back in the trunk for this car. And then this stuff, I gotta organize it, and then I'm gonna start taking stuff out of that trunk. Let's get it. We doing trunks, baby. Hi, y'all. That's it. All right, so now we in the black E30 in the trunk. Red box. All right. Trunk trim. Oh, this car should be a lot of trim. Because it is good. See, like the front. E30 dash. That's still good. Interior parts, I feel like it's gonna be. Trim pieces.
Yeah, what this is. That's for the tape changer. Right. In case I don't know what tape changer was, that's before CD had tapes. And they had a tape changer. One tape at a time. You could change through the tapes, which was legendary at the time. Like, what? You ain't gotta change the tape, you can just pop in another one? That's why you see all the dealers with them, all the DJs, all the D-boys, all the, you got tape changers, CD players, or something. So I'm happy most of the stuff is interior trim pieces and stuff like that. And little pieces that are fine.
Alrighty, so we back. Bolts on the bag. Alright, and everything cleaned up. Now time to put these back. Oh, the trim pieces first. That's the last thing I'm gonna get to. So I honestly didn't think I'd be able to get all this done before sun goes down, but everything's organized in here. Yeah, I'm saying the trunk's all fine and that. Everything's clean in here, right? I did this trunk, as y'all seen. And then on this car, I got everything gutted out. So I take this back seat out now. And then I'm gonna vacuum in here. Take this back seat out. Then I'm gonna vacuum up in here. Make sure there's nothing left up in there. Vacuum. That should be straight. Put everything back. I only found that bag right there is everything that's going to the storage or stuff I can sell. Everything else is from the car, so I'm good. And then I'm gonna clean up under the cars tomorrow. And I gotta start writing my list and taking my parts in. Yeah, man, we getting there. We getting there, y'all. All right, so mostly I got is a bag of that, a battery, and a tire out of that car. I got my little oil stuff. Also, when I change my oil on the cars, not I got just the seats in there, the back seat, and the dashboard. Everything's cleaned up. Everything's cleaned out now. Both e30s cleaned out. Now I know what I got. Now I know what goes to storage, what not. And yeah, man. So now I can write me a parts list for both of them, and now I can start working on them. So that's next. All right, y'all. So that's it. Before daylight, bang. E30's done, cleaned out. Now I know what I got, what parts I have, what parts I'm missing, what's going on, what's not going on, and what's next. So now I'm gonna take it, make me a little parts list, and getting these ready. I gotta get that ready to go to the storage tomorrow. And yeah, man, we good.